This combination of organic fertilizers is suitable for various types of plants. The nutrients contained in coffee grounds, coca peat, wood chips, and powdered milk can help enrich the soil, stimulate root growth, and support greener, healthier leaves. With proper and regular use, plants can grow faster, stronger, and produce more flowers and fruit. Charcoal, coca peat, and eggshells can be combined to create an organic fertilizer and a good growing medium for various types of plants. How to make? Prepare 1 part finely crushed charcoal. Prepare 2 parts coca peat. Prepare eggshells that have been washed, dried, and then ground until smooth. Mix all ingredients until evenly distributed. Benefits for plants. Charcoal helps improve soil aeration and maintain moisture. Coca peat retains water longer, keeping roots moist. Eggshells contain calcium, which helps strengthen roots and stems and reduces the risk of fruit end rot. Application of organic fertilizer from wood charcoal, coca peat, and eggshells. Loosen the soil around the plant first. Sprinkle 1 to 2 organic fertilizer mixtures around the base of the plant. Mix it thinly with soil so that nutrients are more easily absorbed. Flush thoroughly after application. For potted plants, use about 2 to 3 tablespoons per medium-sized pot and mix with the growing medium. Application frequency. Once every 2 to 4 weeks. It is recommended to do it in the morning or evening. With proper and regular application, plant roots will develop better, the soil will become looser, and plant growth will become more fertile. Benefits of combined organic fertilizer, coffee grounds, coca peat, eggshells, and charcoal. For plants, this combined organic fertilizer has many benefits for vegetables, fruit, and ornamental plants, including enriching the soil by adding organic matter and improving soil structure, stimulating root growth, making plants stronger and better able to absorb nutrients, maintaining soil moisture thanks to the coca peat content, which retains air for longer. Adding calcium from eggshells helps strengthen stems and roots, and reduces the risk of fruit tip rot. Increasing the activity of soil microorganisms, which help break down organic matter into nutrients that are easily absorbed by plants. Best time to apply. In the morning before 9 a.m. In the morning after 4 p.m. Dosage for vegetable plants. Sprinkle 1 to 2 handfuls of fertilizer per plant every 2 to 3 weeks. For young seedlings, use 1/2 handful per plant. With proper application and good care, plants can grow faster, healthier, and produce better harvests. This combination of organic fertilizers is very easy to obtain and can be made at home. Ingredients such as coffee grounds, coca peat, eggshells, and charcoal are generally readily available in your kitchen, garden, or local agricultural store. Besides being inexpensive, these ingredients are organic waste that still offers many benefits for plants. By processing them into organic fertilizer, you can reduce household waste while helping to naturally fertilize your plants. You can also make liquid organic fertilizer from soaked coffee grounds and powdered milk. Mix the coffee grounds and powdered milk in water, then stir until evenly distributed. Let it sit for several hours in a shaded area, then strain before use. This liquid organic fertilizer can help add organic matter to the soil, maintain soil moisture, and support healthy plant growth. Use sparingly on vegetables, fruit, and ornamental plants. After the coffee grounds and milk powder mixture has rested, the filtering process is as follows. How to filter. Prepare a soft cloth, a clean old cloth, or a fine sieve. Slowly pour the mixture into the sieve. Squeeze the grounds to extract the maximum amount of liquid fertilizer. Collect the liquid in a clean bucket or bottle. Filtering results. The resulting liquid is ready to use liquid organic fertilizer. Remaining grounds can be mixed into compost or sprinkled directly on the soil. Applying liquid organic fertilizer made from coffee grounds and powdered milk. How to use. Sprinkle the liquid fertilizer onto the soil around the base of the plant, not directly onto the young leaves. Use a sprayer or small dipper to distribute evenly. Water until the soil is sufficiently moist, but do not overdo it. Dosage. Mix 100 to 200 milliliters of liquid fertilizer into 1 liter of clean water. For small plants, vegetables, 200 to 300 milliliters of solution per plant. For large plants, fruit, 300 to 500 milliliters per plant. Best application time. Morning, 6 o'clock to 9 a.m., or afternoon, 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. Avoid direct sunlight to prevent rapid evaporation frequency. Once every 7 to 14 days. Suitable plants. Chili peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, kale, spinach, eggplant, and ornamental plants with proper application. This fertilizer helps improve soil fertility and promotes faster, healthier plant growth. Thank you for watching this video about making organic fertilizer. We hope this information helps your plants grow more fertile. See you in the next video.